Hey y'all, here's a quick video installing these Tesery floor puddle lights. These are way higher quality than ones sold on Amazon. As you can see, you can't even see the Tesla lettering on here properly. Now, here's an example of something I put on my other Model Y years ago that I paid quite a bit for. And it looks pretty good to this day, 5 years later. And that is a reason why you should get good quality ones, spend it right or spend it twice, as they say. So these are the Tesery floor puddle lights. It comes in a pack of 4 when you unbox it. It just comes with these and the 2 puddle lights. And after that, all you'll need for this installation is a simple pry tool. Now let's get started. This is a very simple install that you can complete in under 2 minutes. What you want to do first is get something to kneel on and find the light right here. And just use a pry tool like so. And you see where there's this indent right over here. So push your tool into it and pop it off. After that, this just slides out simply, and boom. As you can see with this low quality connector, it was barely hanging on. I didn't even have to push the safety tab and it just popped right off. Also, just by touching this right now, it is burning hot. And that's only after maybe being open for a minute, 2 minutes max. So we can grab our Tesery ones next. Right here, and you do want to make sure that the writing is the proper way. So these wires should be on the left side. So one benefit is that it has a pretty long pigtail extension, so you can just take your time plugging this together. Here is the safety portion right here, and this just slides on like so, and boom, there's a solid click to it. And as you can see, the lettering is nice and vibrant. Before you fully install it, just want to tuck this in all the way. There's a ton of room up there, and make sure the lettering is straight. Put this side in first, and then this, and it gives it a click. Perfect. Now that's how it looks. It took less than a minute. Now let's get all the other doors and windows. Here's a side-to-side comparison of something quality and junk off of Amazon. Here, I'll do a time lapse of it. Pull it out. Disconnect with the safety tab. Connect the new one. Again, it will be very easy with one hand. 2 hands. I'm doing it with 1. Boom. Verify it clicks in all the way. Push it up. Make sure the logo is straight. Push the right side in first, and then the left side, unlock it. Boom. That's it. Done in under a minute. And look at that, the difference. We'll get to the part in the app where we set it up together later. Again, you don't need much room. Just pop open the door. Again, washed out logo. Take the pry tool. Open the side with the tab, pop it out, open a new package, put the clip on. Put the clip on right here. Push in the control box. This is for the app, and make sure the logo is straight. And once that's done, you can just pop it in. Boom. Done. And now the last door. And that's it. All 4 doors have been completed. Let's look how nice that looks. After that, let's head to the app and I'll show you how to get these colors changed. So first, head to your app store and search up the app Lotus Lamps. And from there, download it and open it up. And immediately all 4 of the lights will be shown. You can either link them by pressing that chain link or just individually control each one of them. When you tap one, it opens up a color wheel from where you can choose what color you want and different patterns as you so desire. And that's pretty much it. If you want to pick one setup for yourself, please see the link below and use the code in the description to save yourself some money. If you have any questions, please let me know. And if you liked the video, please like, subscribe, and join this channel. Hope you have a good one, guys, and stay safe.